Morning, folks. Wanted to bring you up to a little video today. I'm outside. It's, I don't know, 0. Just wanted to show you what we did yesterday in the shop. Guy called me on, I don't know, Thursday late. Got a 1270E here, and give you a little walk around. Had an antifreeze leak underneath there, as typical, where it connects to the heater core. Fixed that, and what else? I found one up in the engine compartment. He's been losing a little bit here and there, but the primary reason it was here was for the measuring wheel down there. Got all kittywampus, and that particular axle that holds it on the 270 head, it's typically a bear to get out. So you got to use a rosebud, warm it up, beat the hell out of it to get it out of there. But we had to rebuild it for him, and it came in on the semi just whiter than white. That morning it had snowed a little bit, so I washed it up for him, and just want to portray, I guess, what we do. Go that little extra mile, take care of the customer, and check it over. Made a little bit of a list of things for things coming up. For breakup is right around the corner for spring here, even though it doesn't feel like it. Yeah, he's got a truck coming on Sunday afternoon, Sunday morning to pick it up. So I got the preheater ready for him to go and all set up so that the truck can just stop in my yard, pick it up, deliver it to the job site. And so Monday morning he's ready to go. That's how we do it here. Try to treat these guys equally. That's the way it goes. You know the old saying. Anyways, yeah, well, one other little thing. I hope it doesn't bother the customer, but this door was broke off. You can see something hit the handle there. No big deal, whatever, but I had to put some new hinges on. I didn't have any John Deere black, so he's got a little Ponsse dark gray on there. Hope he doesn't mind. So, alright, just a little something we did on Friday. Just busted it out, got it in Friday morning, and busted her out yesterday to get her done. It's Saturday, so he can go back to work Monday. So, alright, hope you guys got some mechanics like me. Nah, just kidding. Have a good weekend.